Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our virtual faculty meeting. Sometimes I miss a few of you guys during PLC time on Wednesday, so I wanted to make sure you guys all had this information. Also, I will be out in the morning at a meeting in Springer. We've just had some federal funds cut, and we're meeting with some people from the State Department of Education to try to figure out how to get those back. So wish me luck at that meeting tomorrow. With that said, we will continue on with our virtual faculty meeting. Typically, we share good things. I know there's probably lots of good things going on. One that I do know is Miss Butler and Miss Gamble have both finished their first master's classes, so congratulate them if you see them in the hallways. Our typical norms for meetings, which we won't go over those in this virtual meeting, but a couple of other things, some housework, house cleaning. Staff absences, please complete your absent form, especially if you know before. Get that to Anita or myself so we can sign. You get 10 sick days a year and 3 personal. Obviously, you know we have a hard time with subs. We will try to get classes covered as best as possible, but if you know in advance, you might check with one of our 2 subs and see if they are able to cover just to give them some advance notice. And if not, we have to cover within, and we try to make it work as best as we can. Bond issue is coming up. Our bond vote is Tuesday, April 7th. We've got some things coming up to prepare for that. The first being really promoting it next week at our parent-teacher conferences, flyers around town. We're going to send posters out to flyers out to our registered voters that we think would be in favor of the bond. This is a no tax increase bond. Information coming to you soon so you can help spread the word. We really need it to pass this time so we can work on some safety and security and general building maintenance of the school. Parent-teacher conferences are next Thursday. I just emailed you the Google Sheet so you can get those scheduled. Remember to try to make personal contact with each parent. If you're unable to get a hold of them, they can call back and schedule with Anita, as she does have access to the sheet as well, so she can look and see when your times are open. You'll have a list of items needed for parent-teacher conferences in your box. We really want to promote 100% attendance. We'll do some kind of an incentive to try to get kids to get their parents there, because we really need to promote this bond issue. And also it's good to let parents know how their kids are doing as a whole and how the school is doing and progressing, and they can see the good things happening here at Mansville Schools. I need to let everyone know that Miss Alita will be taking some time off from cleaning. She's been working a few jobs, so she's going to take the next 2 weeks off to give her some time to kind of get her things back together. She will start back with building maintenance after spring break. So for this week and next week, if you could please help out. I know you already do a little, but if you could help out by just keeping your rooms picked up and cleaned and vacuumed, as well as trash. If you need help, let me know. We've got some big kids that can help at the end of the day. But again, for the next 2 weeks until after spring break, Miss Alita is taking a little time off. So if you could please kind of help out with building maintenance and cleaning during that time. We are going to have a school dance. I've called it kind of the Mommy, Mr., Daddy, Daughter dance, but it's really open to any Mansville student and their families. We want them to come. It will be a small fundraiser, but more to promote school pride, and it should be a good time. It's Saturday, April 4th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I would like everyone to be there to help promote the dance and to try to promote the bond, promote the dance, just promote school unity with our family and community. Our families and community. Also, I will have some concessions, some decorations, a DJ. It should be a good time and good event for our school. I don't think I have this on the slide, but testing, Miss Hill will be getting you guys with the testing schedule probably after spring break. She's been doing some training, so we'll work on our testing schedule. The window opens April the 20th. It's a very short testing window this year, but we'll get that going, and we'll let you have some information after we return from spring break. This Friday, AR points are due. Please get on that spreadsheet and make sure you tap the third 9 weeks tab and write in your kids that have made their AR goals for the third 9 weeks. We are going to Skateland next Thursday, the same day as parent-teacher conferences, so that's the 12th from 12 to 2. We'll do the same thing we always do and kind of combine classes for kids that don't get to go. They'll stay here and read. And then the ones that do get to go, we want as many teachers as possible because it is kind of a handful to get everybody's skates tied and ready for those days. So again, third 9 weeks, AR points due on Friday. Please enter those kids into that spreadsheet. Also, grades are due then. That'll be the cutoff for grades. You'll probably have the first couple days the week following to get grades finalized and put in. And then Miss Anita will run those for parent-teacher conferences on Friday. And I think that's it. Please take your time, watch this video sometime between now and the end of the week. Remember to dress up for Dr. Seuss week this week. I've forgotten both days. It's been kind of a crazy week, but if you get a chance, please dress up for those days. The kids really enjoy seeing you dressed up. If you have any questions, anything you can think of, let me know. Again, tomorrow morning, I'll be here first thing for Tigers Pride, and then I go to that meeting at Springer, hopefully to get us some federal dollars back. So let me know if you have any questions, and everyone have a great Tuesday. Thank you.